Hello guys, welcome to Word Hunting Part 5. Yeah, Word Hunting Part 5. So, yeah, today I looked up how to do a live stream, but I can't do a live stream because I need 1,000 subscribers and I have to be verified. So, yeah. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, then I have to go to this website and then I can verify, and then we can finally do a live stream. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna speed it up until
26 more minutes. Until the live
It's a plushie video. I didn't know that you could do a live stream on plushie videos. I mean, I didn't think that people would really want to watch like a live stream on a plushie video. The video didn't even start yet. So yeah, we're just gonna speed it up until we find a bird.
I'm gonna be playing on my Switch.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna speed it up now. I just want to see what Lemon's battle is, so we're just gonna play this.
Yeah, because Logan has never played Super Mario World before.
I know.
So you just have to, but you have to find Lemmy and not hit the dummies. Hit the dummies for you. There he is.
He's got him.
It sucks I can't go into them.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna speed it up again now. This again.
Even though I already actually I never probably did, but Yoshi can freaking fly.
Yoshi's OP. I just wanted to show you this, guys. So yeah, I
this
just
is the
wanted to
level-
show you. So
This
yeah.
is the level with those chainsaws, and with Yoshi you can just jump on the chainsaws with Yoshi like they're nothing. This is a cool level though. This is confusing. Shoot. I did it. The heck?
Get those coins. Get the coins.
Oh, I got all of them.
Good job.
So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you this crap.
I'm gonna keep recording until you finish the.
You have
Oh.
to jump down here.
Okay.
I did it.
Oh.
Was that a secret exit? Hold on, let me go back. Cookie Mountain. I'm gonna go back here. I can just skip. See, he just takes it like it's nothing. Dang it, I want to ride on these. It's gonna be hard. It's kind of hard to do. Okay. I don't want to grab that again. Okay. Crap. The heck? This would be hard. Yeah, that's basically what it is. Wait, hold on. Wait, there's another
Or
thing.
do homework. Do homework, I guess. Wake up early or sleep in. Wake up early. Eat healthy or eat pizza and fries.
Wait,
Are
how
you
did
kidding?
you landed on top of him and then you were riding
Science
on him?
videos
That's
or
cool.
TikTok? There's no way. No way!
We have found a bird. I think this is enough footage. Okay, I just took a screenshot. Now we're gonna go, I think. One more picture and then we're good. Okay, I took 3 screenshots of it. Just flew away now. I'm pretty sure that's like I'm pretty sure that is like the fastest time we've ever gotten a bird. So
Which bird did you find?
I'll show you later, okay? I'll show you later.
Why can't you just tell me now?
Because I don't know what it is.
Are you gonna tell the camera like what bird it is afterwards?
I don't know what bird it is, but it's like it kind of looks like a robin, but it's not. It's like orange instead of. I don't know. I know that it's a different bird than a robin. I think it's a different bird than a robin. Well, either way, we still got a bird. Oh, and also, in part 1, I said that I was going to like print out a piece of paper and write all the information about it and a bunch of other crud. I'm not gonna do that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So yeah. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Oh, that didn't end the video. Oh, and also before you go, I want to show you guys which. Wait, who is it?
Ludwig.
Ludwig's boss battle before you go.
It's really cool. Oh crap.
Fire.
Oh shoot. I just want to show you what.
What are those things on the? Oh.
Yeah, he does flips like that too. I just wanted to show you what he does. I just wanted to show you what he does. Crap.
This is really hurting my hand, but it's worth it.
Oh, you can jump on a shell.
You can. He's just doing a backflip like that.
Did it.
I like how they like stretch out.
Okay, look at.
So yeah.
Wait.
So yeah,
Wait,
subscribe and what?
Okay, I'm
What is it?
sorry. Jeez.
Stop saying wait.
I think there's something at the end of it. Let me just look.
There's nothing at the end of it.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, he blows the place up.
No, it's not that. It's not that.
Oh, he sends it to space.
That's not the thing though.
Oh no, he doesn't send it to space.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, so yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.